Hello, YouTubers. Buckasar's back again with the project video. Been working on this for a few years now. It's a 65 Chevy Impala that's been in our family since early 80s. As you can see, it's all one color. Been doing some light sanding on it, on the black DTM epoxy. This is the quarter panel we replaced a couple years ago. She's coming along. I'm on the dark side. I'm going to pull the front windshield out, the back window, get a new window for it. When my dad had it, he didn't have any chrome trim, so we laid some glass in here and flush mount the glass, but it hid the edge. And doing that back in 1987, it gouged the windows really bad, so I'm gonna pop that one out. Been getting some parts slowly but surely. Got the door trim, door seals, the seals that go around the windows. Got some door handles, lenses, lens covers, window cranks. Got all the window cranks. Set of door handles, a mirror, armrest, chrome. Got an HEI distributor I'm gonna drop in. Got a brand new wire harness. Get rid of this old brittle wire harness. Get rid of that. I'm gonna start on that next week. This week I'm gonna pull everything out. It's coming along. When I did the exhaust, I picked up too many bends. There's the boxes of the mufflers I put in. I'm gonna try to get underneath the car because I got it sitting up on the air, but sitting off the ground. Like I said, I'm doing anything in my backyard. 100% of the work is being done by me, except for the upholstery. And my other project, my Mustang, did the heads on it, new intake gaskets. I was going to do these, put these hangers on today, but got burned out. Been staying up till 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So I took a nap today. I got hangers on there, muffler clamps. Parts I want to weld, I'll weld. Then the other stuff I'll put the hangers in to the factory location on this side. That side there, I gotta see where the hole's at. I'll probably tap a hole and thread it. I gotta build a crossover for it. Then pull everything apart, clean everything up, follow some of the tubes out. I got them. I'm gonna pull the fuel tank, get rid of that. Then have the tip come out just right at the rear bumper area. The dog, every time I doing work underneath the car, he comes over here and see what I'm doing. He ain't afraid of the welder, I tell you that. Get the frame cleaned up. Get some undercoating on this old girl. Yeah, when I did this quarter panel, I cut the factory peak all the way down to about there. Then I laid in the new one, cut the peak off the new one on this side because it was too straight. And I reworked this whole section here because it only came half and it was just straight up to the window. That's how high it was. So I had to cut it, bring it down, work the metal here and here, hammer and dolly all that out. Not bad for a beginner on a quarter panel. It's not rocket science. It ain't hard to do. Anyways, by the time I do my next video, hopefully I have the interior in and running. I'm polishing out the grill.
And the parts of it I hope that were pleasant are the ones you'll be thinking about. Don't let no one get you down.
That's just an update on our 65 SS Impala.
Keep up the fight. Hang in there.
Y'all have a good day. Hopefully get out there to these Glendale cruises.
Miss you so much and still always loving you.
Have a good day.
Dedicates a great love song called Together, their big hit.
Be safe out there.